Differences in public opinion on vaccinating remain, despite how this year's flu strain and COVID-19 are affecting the population simultaneously. News reporter Olivia Varden has the story.
The question of whether one should vaccinate has become even more important this year as two destructive viruses spread at once. The FDA recently approved the drug remdesivir for severe COVID cases only. The drug is not a cure, but it shortens the recovery period if given early on in the diagnosis. However, Dr. Shafiqul Chowdhury, professor of molecular virology at LSU School of Veterinary Medicine, explains drugs are typically more effective for bacterial infections. Viruses, on the other hand, develop within human cells, making drugs less effective as a cure.
There are some group of people, they don't trust vaccine. But if you look at the history of vaccines, they save life a lot more than any other. So the vaccine is the only way you can prevent against virus.
Although Dr. Chowdhury also says there's an option for nasal spray to prevent this year's flu strain. Still, many have personal reasons for their choice of whether or not to vaccinate, regardless of which virus.
I just feel like I wouldn't get vaccinated because my immune system is way stronger. I feel like the chance of me, getting sick or a chance of me getting COVID is very slim.
I would get vaccinated if there was a vaccine because I live with my grandmother and a lot of people in my family are older. So if there was the chance of making sure they wouldn't catch it, then I would make sure that they would be safe.
I don't vaccinate. I just never thought of doing it. That's the only reason why I haven't. And I'm usually so busy, but I never take the time out to do it.
I think it's very important overall to take vaccines, especially with a virus like this that's affecting everyone in their daily lives.
For Tiger TV News, I'm Olivia Varden.
Whether you decide to vaccinate or not, it's important to stay safe and to follow the CDC's guidelines for your own health and for those around you.